Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix can't rename files in Windows 11 or 10. So guys, if you are not able to rename any file, so reason your file is open in another location in your PC, and if you don't know where your file is open which you want to rename, so simple, find out in task manager, and if you not see in task manager that file, so close your PC and restart. So this is the common issue guys. Once you try to rename your file and that file is open in some location in your PC, so on that time you are not able. So simple way, just close your PC and restart, and again try to rename that file. Hopefully this guide will work and this guide will fix can't rename file problem in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching, and please comment this suggestion is useful for you or not.